Hey everyone, we're here at INFINITI of Boerne. Today we are in the parts department with our parts director Travis, just to give you a friendly face. Today we're going to be teaching you how to change the key fob battery and how to detect ways if your key fob battery is running low. So Travis, what are some ways that you would know if your battery in your key fob is low?
Well, there is a couple of ways to tell if your key fob battery is going low. First, on the center dash of your vehicle, there will be display that it will either say key not detected or key battery low.
Okay, and what if I wasn't able to start my car?
If you're not able to start your car, one of the culprits may be the key battery. The key battery itself is just to add range to the remote. So for example, if the key battery is dead or is showing key not detected, simply take your key fob, hold it to the start button, and press the start button as you normally would.
Okay, so that's pretty easy. Now we're going to show you exactly how to change your battery from home, what battery to purchase to make sure you're putting in the right battery. And then also, if you didn't want to do it at home, you're more than welcome to come in. We'll change it for you complimentary here in the parts department.
Absolutely.
So let's give you a quick tutorial of how to change this at home. You're going to have two types of batteries, and the only way to tell is by opening up the key fob itself, but here are the two batteries. You have a CR2032 or a CR2025. So once you open the key fob, you'll see which one, because it'll say it here on the actual battery itself. So let's go ahead, we're going to go ahead and open up the key fob and show you how easy it is to see as well as replace it. So you'll first grab your key fob, and there's a tiny switch on the back, and you'll go ahead and remove the key. And then you'll see at the very top, once you open it up, there's kind of a little slot there for you to go ahead and use your mini flathead screwdriver. So you're going to go ahead and place that in that little slot, and you're going to twist, and it'll kind of pry it open, and then you can go around the side of the key fob and pry it apart. It's very easy to do. And then you just open it up. And as you take note, the battery is face down, so you'll need to pop the battery out using your flathead screwdriver. And take note that it is face down, so when you put it in the correct way. And notice right here it says it is a CR2025, so that's the battery of choice that we will use for this intelligent key. So go ahead and open up your battery, and remember it was face down, so we'll put it in the exact same way that we took it out, and it just pops right into place there. And then just put it back onto the remaining part of your key fob, and it shuts closed. Very simple and easy to do from home. And you're all set.